Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create this amazing cliff effect on your lettering. Everything that I'm going to use is on your iPad Pro, and the brushes that I'm going to use are already in your Procreate app. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications. A new tutorial will be posted every Tuesday. So let's open the Procreate app, open a new canvas. Let's do screen size. Let's keep it white. And Procreate now has a new feature, quite a cool one. Everyone is very excited about this one, which is add text. So previously you would have to import your text or your image, but now Procreate allows you to write your own text. So let's do with the word reflect, and then let's edit the style. So let's go with bold. You can change the font, the style, the size. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off, increase this, and that's good. Let me decrease the size. And okay, this is a good size. So just we are gonna take this flat word and we are gonna make a cool dropping and shadow effect. So what I'm gonna do, it's very simple. I'm gonna go to my selection tool, to this option here which says rectangle, so yes, and then a little bit like halfway, gonna select this, draw a rectangle. So as you can see, this is turning white, which is my selected part. What I'm gonna do is click the selection option, 3 fingers, scroll down and cut and paste. So if I remove the layers, you can see that I have my top and my bottom. So with the bottom layer, we are gonna go here to my selection tool and we are gonna click distort and select the corner and put it to your left, and then the other corner, do the same process and pull it to your right. And then I'm gonna, this is good, select uniform, actually freedom, and then I'm just gonna select both of them, reduce a little bit, go to my bottom one, select and my bottom one, click select, and we have the freedom one, and I'm gonna drag a little bit, go again to the distort. I want this a little bit more, so a little bit more to your left, this corner as well. So I like this effect. Now what I'm gonna do is open a new layer. I'm going to select a brush, which I'm going to use my monoline. I have a new layer and I'm going to start, let's see the size, this is good. So I'm going to, and then I'm going to increase the color, the coloring, so that's fine. So I've made this gradient of black to grey and white-ish on a separate layer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my adjustment, click Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna increase this until I hit, let's go with 20%. Just gonna select this, make sure that this is covering my lettering. Then I have this layer here is my bottom layer, and then now on top of my layer, so the one underneath is my bottom layer, I'm gonna click here and add clipping mask, which adds this cool effect to the lettering. But I'm gonna duplicate the bottom one, drag it a little bit to your right bottom, like this one, and then I'm gonna go to Gaussian blur and increase until 15%. I like this effect, and then I'm gonna go to my adjustments, my layers adjustment, and I'm gonna choose multiply. And if you want, you can have full opacity, but I'm gonna reduce to 15%. It depends on the background that you have, and there you go. If you like this tutorial, or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, and happy drills!